Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Aviator Predictor is a tool often used for predicting results in online gaming, particularly in games of chance like Aviator. However, there seems to be some confusion as there isn't a widely recognized Aviator Predictor v9 or a specific open source VPN server directly associated with it. If you're looking to set up a VPN server for privacy while using online gaming tools, I can provide a basic tutorial on how to set up a free VPN server using openvpn, which you can use in conjunction with any online service. Setting up a free VPN server using openvpn. Step 1. Choose a VPS provider. To set up your own VPN server, you will need a virtual private server, VPS. Some popular providers include DigitalOcean, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, vultr, linode. Most of these providers offer a free tier or trial period. Step 2. Create a VPS instance. 1. Sign up for one of the VPS providers. 2. Create a new instance, select an OS, usually Ubuntu is recommended. 3. Note the IP address of your new VPS instance. Step 3. Connect to your VPS. Use an SSH client, like PUTTY on Windows or Terminal on Mac/Linux, to connect to your VPS. Bash SSH root at your _VPS_IP. Replace your _VPS_IP with the actual IP address of your VPS. Step 4. Install OpenVPN. Run the following commands to install OpenVPN and necessary packages. Bash apt update. Apt install openvpn easy rsay. Step 5. Set up the CA directory. Make a directory for your certificate authority, CA. Bash make dir/openvpn cd/openvpn. Edit the vars file to configure your CA settings. Bash nano vars. Modify the following fields to your preference. Bash export key _country equals US. Export key _province equals CA. Export key _city equals San Francisco. Export key _org equals your organization. Export key _email equals email@example.com. Export key _OU equals your organizational unit. Step 6. Build the CA. Run the following commands to build the CA. Bash source vars /clean all /build CA. Step 7. Create server certificate and key. Bash /build key server /build dh. Open Jenkins secret keys /ta.key. Step 8. Configure the OpenVPN server. Copy the sample server configuration to the OpenVPN directory. Bash cd/etc/openvpn. gunzip/usr/share/doc/openvpn/example/sample config files/server.conf/gzt server.conf. Edit server.conf. Bash nano server.conf. Make the following changes. Find user nobody and group na group, and uncomment both lines. Adjust server line to your liking, example server 10.8.0.0255.255.255.0. Uncomment push redirect gateway def1 bypass DHCP to route all traffic through the VPN. Step 9. Start OpenVPN server. Start the OpenVPN service. Bash systempl start openvpn server. Systempl enable openvpn server. Step 10. Configure client. Generate client certificates. Bash. cd/openvpn. Source vars. /build key client 1. Create a configuration file for the client. Bash. cd/etc/open. Nano client.open. Add the following configuration. Client. devton. proto UDP. remote your _VPS _IP 1194. Resolve retry infinite. No bind. Persist key. Persist ton. Remote cert TLS server. Cipher AES 256 CBC. Auth SHA 256. Key direction 1. CA. Insert the contents of CACRT here. /CA. Cert. Insert the contents of client1.crt here. /cert. Key. Insert the contents of client1.key here. /key. TLS auth. Insert the contents of ta.key here. /TLS auth. Replace your _VPS _IP with the actual IP address of your VPS. Step 11, connect the client. Transfer the client.open, CACRT, client1.crt, client1.key, and ta.key files to your local machine. Use an OpenVPN client, like OpenVPN GUI, to import the .open file and connect to your server. Conclusion. Now you have a basic VPN server set up using OpenVPN. You can use this VPN to secure your internet connection while using any online tool, including gaming predictors. Always ensure you are compliant with the terms of service of any gaming platform while using such tools. If you have any specific features or questions in mind regarding Aviator Predictor or a different VPN setup, please provide more details.